So here we are today visiting Luraco. I'm going to show you guys some of the ins and outs of their massage chairs and describe to you their overall service and their history, and just give you a great feel for what it would be like if you owned a Luraco massage chair. So Luraco is unique in the massage chair industry because they actually produce and manufacture and even design their massage chairs. And you can see they win a lot of awards. And here we are. This is their conference room over here, inside their factory building, which is in Arlington. And these are all the actual patents for the different components. So, for example, this is the arm massage. And you'll see another one down here. So they are unique again in that they not only do they make the chairs in America, they're the only ones that do that, but they actually design and engineer the different components as well. So this is related to the touchscreen remote system, as you can see there. And so one of the benefits to you as a consumer, if you're buying a Luraco, is that the service is handled by engineers and technicians that literally designed the chair. Virtually every other brand is made in China or certainly in an overseas factory, and there's really no way to connect with anyone who is related to building the chair. And so that's a distinct advantage of having service from a made in USA company.